Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices fell by more than 1% and cemented weekly losses as analysts projected a supply surplus next year on weak demand, despite an OPEC Plus decision to delay output hikes and extend deep production cuts to the end of 2026. An inflation report in the coming week will test the strength of the record-setting US stocks rally and provide a crucial piece of data that could factor into the Federal Reserve's plans for rate cuts. The S&P 500 on Friday was on pace for its third straight weekly gain, pushing its year-to-date advance to over 27%. BRICS countries have no interest in weakening the US dollar at all, India's foreign minister said. His remarks came after Donald Trump had demanded that BRICS member countries, which include major economies like India, Russia and China, commit to not creating a new currency or supporting another that would replace the dollar or face 100% tariffs.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Be prepared as the economic calendar for the coming days unveils a series of impactful data releases. These updates, from crucial high-impact reports to secondary announcements, could redefine market sentiment and trading strategies. As we approach these data points, investors should keep their strategies flexible. The coming days may bring shifts that provide both opportunities and risks.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.